Hey again everybody, just thought I'd show the completed redone lines here. This is the one that vents from the, this is the loco parts brake valve, and that'll vent the excess steam out and below, down underneath. The other line is here. This shows there we go, the new nut. As you can see, it's a lot more substantial than the old one, and it's tightened in place. Here's the old one, so you can see I left another, I don't know, 30 thousandths of an inch on the back side for the shoulder there. This one is a little ragged. I'm glad I replaced it, and I used some of this leak lock joint sealing compound on both ends of this steam tube. This is the steam supply line. This is a PM Research valve that I made years ago, and that will just supply the steam to the valve. So basically when the engine's running, I can just leave this open so that steam is going there all the time, and then to apply the brakes I'll use that. So a little update on that. The next project will be the water line from the axle pump to the check valve there, the axle pump down below to the check valve, and then come back along and then go down below to one of these fittings. That'll be it'll be the return line that'll go to the bypass valve. And the way the bypass valve works is, if the valve is closed, it won't let water come back. So all the pressure from the axle pump down below, it'll go past that check valve and put new fresh water into the boiler. And then if the bypass valve is open, then it'll let the water come back into the tender. So that's the idea there, and I will keep you posted as we go. Thanks for watching.